For so many of us in the European Free Alliance, languages are important because we don't have equality. Not all of our languages are equal, and we have to fight to get investment, to get recognition, to get rights for our people and particularly for our young people. And in the European Commission, there was a commissioner for multilingualism, someone we could work with, someone we have worked with. And in the Parliament, of course, we did have a resolution passed which called for a strategy, a clear strategy to support endangered and minority languages. In the new Commission, no one has a portfolio for languages, so it's not clear who will be responsible. And that's why it's been important for us to raise questions with the proposed new commissioners to make sure that the issue doesn't fall off the agenda, that we do get a strategy, that our languages are not forgotten, because if we are all equal citizens in Europe, that means that all our languages have equal status.